Good evening. This is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Finance Minister Audley Shaw has announced yet another deadline for the completion of the FinSAC report. Mr. Shaw, who was speaking at the annual general meeting of the Jamaica Used Car Dealers Association on Thursday, announced the new timeline while speaking on the matter of high interest rates.
For far too long, we have been bred on this notion of high interest rates. In the 1990s, we averaged 53% was the average interest rate for 10 years. And it went up to as high as 120% when you factored in penalties on overdraft. And what did all of that do? It led to the collapse of the financial sector. But it really wasn't just the collapse of the financial sector. It was the collapse of the economy. A report on that event and circumstances leading to it is shortly to be published by next month.
Mr. Shaw had promised the report would be ready by November last year. He did not outline what caused that delay. The report is to outline the findings of the FinSAC Commission of Inquiry, which had its hearings between 2010 and 2011. Unicommer, the operators of Quartz stores, has signed a partnership agreement with Paymaster. The company made the announcement this afternoon, saying it will expand the payment facilities from 49 to 254 locations island-wide. Meanwhile, the company says it has made 20 positions redundant in the last few days, while several vacant positions will not be filled. Unicommer says the positions were cut after it did an assessment of its business model. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.10. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $100.77. The pound sterling costs $177.55, while the euro is going for $154.09. Now, oil climbed today to settle at its highest in more than 3 years. Oil for delivery in March gained 63 cents to settle at $66.14 a barrel. It was the third finish this week, with prices at a more than 3-year high. Stocks ended mostly lower today, pulling the JSE index down more than 1,423 points. The junior market index gained 16. Cargo handlers, Dermont Trading, Jetcon, Lasco Distributors, Main Event Entertainment, NCB Financial Group, and Pulse Investments were among the winners. Now on the losing end were AMG Packaging and Paper, Cable and Wireless, Dolphin Cove, Honeybun, Jamaican Teas, Pan Jam, Scotia Group, Supreme Ventures, and Wisynco Group. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.